This is very powerful, and if you try it, but I recommend do not try it. It's very dangerous. So I'm doing it just for you to see it, what happens. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can make the simplest spot welder using these supercapacitors. And let's start! Hello hackers, and welcome back to my channel. And as I said, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make simple spot welder using these components like these connectors, solid copper wire, and another two wires that will be a positive and negative lead. And I'm gonna use, instead a lead battery, I'm gonna use supercapacitors like this. And these are Maxwell, and believe me, these in this time are not cheap. Two of them maybe worth around around $100. And I'm gonna use in this project for simple spot welder. For the touching probes or spot probes, I'm gonna use 2.5 millimeter or 10 gauge solid copper wire. I will need two short wires that will be attached on these connectors. So far I made the two probes for positive and negative terminal that will be connected directly on the supercapacitor, plus and minus. So these two supercapacitors connected in series, each one is 2.7 volts, together will give 5.4 volts. I'm gonna charge it with my digital power supply that is set on 5.3 volts and I'm gonna charge it with 2.5 amps. You can see that right now the voltage of the supercapacitor is 3.9 volts and it's charging with 2.5 amps and will charge very fast. The supercapacitors are fully charged, and I'm gonna connect the second wire to the negative terminal of the battery. And please be careful because we don't have a switch, and now we have two probes. If we touch them, there will be a spark. Yes. Okay, here I have a empty 18650 lithium battery, and just to show you that is working, I'm gonna try to weld this small piece off, and you need just for a very short time to place the probe and remove it. Did you see that? The metal piece is welded on the battery, and instead of copper probes you can use a graphite, and let's try that. I'm using graphite rods. Whoa, this is very powerful. Woo! This is very powerful, and if you try it, but I recommend do not try it. It's very dangerous, so I'm doing it just for you to see it what happens.